This is for you travelers and tourists, both international and local. Get your flight ticket, do your hotel reservation, and book your accommodation before you get there. Time1 Traveling Agency will help get you visa information for wherever you plan to fly to. Airport assistance as you plan to fly. We issue travelers insurance and currency exchange. For tourists and visitors, visit our carpool and rent a car of your choice. Team Traveling Agency is the most reliable traveling agency around. We are situated on your way to Mbalade, opposite Texaco at Wrong Point, Longcat, at the Cosmicum Building, door number 202. Visit and be served professionally. Call us on 22202985 or 95562869 to book for an appointment. Time1 Traveling Agency, simply the best.
Progressive Modern Vocational Training Institute, P.O. Box 833, Veterinary Junction, Bamenda, Annex, Oluezua, Yaoundé, Bamenda City Main Market, Shed 393.
Whoa! 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 Country people for Mugamo, for Batibo, for Witikum, for any side we wanna day, we wanna watch this station. They call them Much TV. That is Mugamo Cultural Heritage Station. For any man where you watch it for the first time, you subscribe for the station. We want to thank any man where you watch this station, where you follow we, it is subscribe, it is share, and you remember, say when you want to subscribe for this station, you subscribe only one time. When you subscribe one time, any other time when you receive them, you just send them for your people, you share for your friends there. We pineapple today, it talks say weighty. It talks say when meat is rotten, now the time where they find the papa where they get that meat. That pineapple is common for past sitting where it is stay for chumben. Now he give that pineapple for today. We get big announcement for we table here where it come out for Guzang Youth Cultural and Development Association Goyugda National Conference 2021. It will take place now for number 31st day for July. This moment we will talk inside so. Now for which side? Now for corner Presbyterian Church Fureba Bonabere. KDV Party Hall situated beside Presbyterian Church Fureba Bonabere. They call all man say me they come out when for side with the day, whether not for America or not for which so me they come witness cultural jamboree where they get them for celebrate them with family members, with friends, with their brothers and sisters. The main purpose for this family meeting are waiting. They say they will get big fundraising. And this fundraising, they want to use them for be their meeting hall. Where they for Carrefour and Botus. May any man come out inside traditional attire because na cultural occasion. They call all man. Say me they can work a fine for support them. Me they be. The program it will take place now which day? Now on the 31st of the July 2021. That means that this 31st tomorrow where we come with the talk so now next Saturday. Me man not miss them. Me man come out 2-2. And that program, now cultural program, that means say make any man a come out inside traditional attire. Another program where we get them for the table and I say waiting. Small time they launch this game where they call them American DV Lottery, where we plan for people that they pass go for one man country. This American DV Lottery this year 35 people they be succeed for we center here, and the number one condition where they begin I say wait, you must get traveling passport. People the way they be interested, we they start prepare themselves now for traveling passport. And for any man where he need traveling passport, we dey assist people for book them online so that me they go make their passport, and the amount of 110,000. Make man run quick, can't book your passport. Make man run quick, can't prepare yourself for play the American DV Lottery 2023 for we center here, na Lucky Center. This year na a year where you go pick up. We dey start for early August to start collect data information for the American DV Lottery. That means say you will stay far or you will stay near. If you pass by we center for opposite questionnaire project for Garote here for Bonaberry, you contact we go snap you, resize your picture, get ready for play American DV Lottery. For people they want make passport, you know must come for we center here before we book your passport. If you book your passport, any side where you dey, the document we need that for you, now your birth certificate and your ID card. You where you are renew passport, you go send we the old passport, you go snap them, send them for we. When you send them, we go book you, we send your appointment for you. Any side for the 10 region for Cameroon, they make the passport there. You go book you, we send your appointment, you go make your passport. For more information for this issue, if you contact me for the telephone number we there for under here, for more information, we go story with you, Popo. The man where did not gonna this story, they call him Mogamo Cultural Ambassador. The man where if they look at the meeting, they go find, if it been no other person than Mr. Wurebesi Oliver. The person where if they look cable, say me this images they go on air, it been no other person than they call it goodness Ochechuku. The person where if they look at say make image, they come up for this Merch TV, go outside. Now no other person than Mr. Raymond Go, where now he be president for Mogamo Cultural Heritage. Now for year where we announcement end, we intend the Teguna Tonton so the gonna for Batibo Municipal Stadium where some damba be pass a day when na football, and that football now will be keep am na Madam Ba Acha ni Commander Rose Ngwari. Now he be keep that football cup, and the main mission will be keep that football cup now for say what say me peace and unity me the reign for Mogamo. And that football cup it will take place now for which day? It will be now for number 27 day for August month for 2016, where it will be now Saturday, where the football cup they will play the final. Plenty team them they will join head for drag that rope for that football. But finally, people know they will drag final rope between the who. It will be now T-Ben versus Ashong. Ashong United. That rope will be strong. Some question will come up for they say people the way they did for here and people the way they did for forest. Now which one they strong past the other one? True, according to that rope where they be drag and be choosing people for here, they be strong past people where they did for forest. Because people for here, dry season they day. That time when they born here, they day. Time for sun, they day. Rainy season, they day. But for people for forest, anytime they hear their freshness, they get water all time. People for here, they be drag people for forest for them. Where Ashong, if you take that cup at the end of the day. Population where it be past it be day, it be past 10,000 people they be come out for see that Ndamba way they be kick up for day. Minister says it be day. People they will be identified for day fine. Will be acknowledge the presence of the Minister of Sport and Physical Education when be doing part 2 it be day for see how that Ndamba be passed. We be see some young man for day they call us say Rigobert Song Bahana alias Magnac, it will be there. We will see some powerful day, they call it say Pamela Rogier, where be been an ancient number for Cameroon, where be the play ball, it too be there. We be acknowledged president, the president of FECAFOOD, where it too be say him or say the people they be come up for day plenty, where we know if you call them all, above all funds them for Mogamo, they be there for see which way it be take place for them. The chief organizer for that team, been no other person than Monsieur Mba Shaibu, where he watch we with the Torin now, so the football it be passed fine. No man no be come out with any injury for that football. All thing it be passed bunket. Make we attain a take on and now so go for Batibo Municipal Stadium for that Ndamba way it be take place. Make man and not miss out. If you do watch it for your first time, make you subscribe, make you share with the Tonton so going for Batibo Municipal Stadium where you go take your 2 eye, you chop Christmas. If we not see for tomato, we will see. Bye bye.
Yes, I'm already so that's it. Installation at the grandstand by the minister and the entourage. The welcome speech by the mayor of Batipur Council. Speech by the general supervisor. Animation. Then the kickoff of the finals of the football competition. I can perceive the arrival of no movement and nobody inside the grandstand after they have taken their place. So please just mobilize to your seat. And of course at the same time, those who don't have invitation, make sure you exit because we're going to moment we have been expecting. The ministers are here with fish and so, but some major arrival has taken place.
Manage my brother money as a Namatama minister.
The black person at the end of officer, the mayor, and the coordinator. Meanwhile, all the traditional...
Give them ways.
And all traditional dancers, the arrival of the Minister, His Excellency, the Minister Delegate at the Presidency of State
C'est vrai, on passe comme ça.
At the presidency in charge of Supreme State Audit, the Minister of Sport and Physical Education, the Roofing Ambassador of Cameroon, the Governor of Northwest Region, the SDO Momo, the DO Batibo, the judiciary family, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, good overwhelmed just like any other person. Madam Minister, you can see the population of Batibo out in their numbers. They are privileged to receive people like Roger Miller, people like Rigo Besson, the captain of Cameroon national team, to see the Minister of Sport right here on our mobile playing ground. submit at this juncture that once elected is minister, president, mayor for everybody. It is unity cup for Mugamo. Therefore, may everybody, the stakeholders involved, be involved in the organizing team. I will be very much happy. That notwithstanding, Batibo is welcoming. Ringo Besson, you are welcome to Batibo. Roger Miller, you are welcome to Batibo. Here we have just some wine drops called Fichu that all of us can share from there. It is different from export. And I hope while we will be at the hall of the council, you will taste of it and you will enjoy it. You are welcome to Batibo, everybody. Have a wonderful day. Today is a very bright weather, and I hope all occasions, all activities of this occasion, excuse me, will go heat-free without rain. Thank you very much.
Today, August 27, 2016, at the Municipal Stadium, Batibo, by the coordinator, my humble self, Shaibumba, on behalf of the General Supervisor, who happens to be the Divisional Officer for Batibo. Her Excellency, the Minister Delegate at the Presidency of the Republic, in charge of Supreme State Audit Office, the Minister of Sports and Physical Education, the Governor of the Northwest Region, the roving ambassador, the Member of Parliament for Batibo, the Senator, I think he's on his way, our football icon, Rigoberto Song, the Section President for the CPM and leaders of legalized political parties of the maiden edition of the Peace and Unity Sports Competition. It should be recalled that on August 8, 2016, the Divisional Officer for Batibo informed us that Her Excellency, Madam Ba Acha Rose Nefomunda, was sponsoring a Peace and Unity Sports Competition for Batibo subdivision. The Divisional Officer went to create a local organizing committee for that purpose. Because of time constraints, to 8 football teams as follows: Ashong FC, ACFC, Busan FC, Batibo FC, Upper Yalek FC, Lower Yalek FC, Upper Mugamo FC, and Lower Mugamo FC. And again, because of time constraints, we played on knockout basis. The launching ceremony took place on August Divisional Officer for Batibo in the presence of important personalities, CPM militants, and hundreds of spectators. They were all thrilled with a march past by the various football teams and supporters along the main street of Batibo, a musical animation, and a spectacular match between Upper Mugamo and Upper Nyanda. Semi-final matches took place on the 22nd of August 2016, and today we have the finals between Ashong FC and Lower Mugamo. During the competition, we implemented the minister's instructions that were clearly spelled out as consolidation of peace and unity through sports activities. The choice of the team reflects our needs in this subdivision. I can assure you that we achieved the desired objective during this competition. Players and teams were drawn from all the corners of the subdivision and supported by people of all social and political divides. They are participating in the football finals today because they kept aside their differences and work as a team. We hope that the spirit continues thereafter in Ashong in particular and in Mugamo in general. The competition was not without minor hitches, especially at the inception. But I can assure you, we turn all stumbling blocks into stepping stones. The tournament was not limited to civilian militants, but to the general population. It has drawn admiration for the CPDM, and it's another evidence of achievements. There is no doubt that this competition is the first of its kind in Bantabo subdivision. Through this, we have discovered a lot of football talents. In fact, Bantabo subdivision has footballers. It is time we start thinking of professional football along the Fecafoot lineup. Bantabo has been bubbling these days, these past weeks, and the wish is that the competition becomes a regular annual event and extended to other sports disciplines, as well as the technical services of sports and physical education. Our sincere thanks to them. I know that and other partners. This is evident by the presence of the Minister of Sports and Physical Education and other top-ranking state personalities. It is also evident by the quantity and quality of sports materials that we received. Here, I mean the jerseys, trophies, balls, and many more that will be to you as surprises today. Please, Mama, and the other partners. Above all, special thanks to the head of state, His Excellency President Paul Biya, for this special prize for peace and unity in Bantabo subdivision. I'm sure we'll soon discover that. I would like to end by thanking Her Excellency, Mama, for this wonderful gesture. Our cry was to have a minister. Within a short time, you have made so many public appearances in Bantabo subdivision and many other achievements which we cannot mention here. Courage, Mama. The population of Bantabo and the youth in particular are behind you in your efforts to bring in the gaps in the community. I am convinced that by the end of today, the winner will not only be Ashong FC or Lower Mogamo FC, it will be the consolidation of peace and unity in Bantabo subdivision. Thank you.
Come to the minister. At the onset, it sounded like we were not prepared to receive the minister. There was a lot of panicking and nothing could work. Madam Achabaros, we are very, very glad. We don't know how to express our gratitude for bringing this caliber of visitors to this subdivision. And when I see the Minister of Youth and Physical Education, I begin to think that a football stadium will be constructed in Bantabo very soon. We want to thank the President. We also want to acknowledge the presence of our Governor, His Excellency Lele Lafik. He's our man, he's always around, so we all know him. And of course, the President of Fecafoot in Cameroon. You're welcome, sir. And of course, the host of... I want to tell you that the Cameroon government, and especially our president, our national president, His Excellency, Mr. Paul Biya, has given a lot of consideration to the youths. As if to, in fact, to buttress my point, there are 5 ministries that cater for the affairs of the youth. You have the Ministry of Basic Education, the Ministry of Secondary Education, the Ministry of Higher Education, the Ministry of Youth and Physical Education, and the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Civic Education. 5 ministries for the youth. This tells us how much the President of our Republic holds the youth affairs in esteem. And so, for Tombi Aroko, yes, that's for general knowledge. Because you might find in an exam, you say, but the President of Fecafoot came to Bantabo, what is his name? His name is Tombi Aroko. So take that, put in your jotters.
Dear President, all protocol duly respected. All we were within here because all we important, not be so. I never see herself. I want that they will carry the news. They say self, then go for Yaoundé. Go talk for them. Say to where they take the eyes here, their mouth, no fit up.
That's true.
You go ask me, say, why I stand up with football? Football, because I want to get the youth. Not them plenty for we population. Not them where they get dynamism. Not them where they get dynamism. Not them when they see them as the way the head of state is over. Pay attention for them. In last move, forgive them. Plenty computer them. Head of state, it be number one supporter of peace and unity. We not say when peace pass for some place, unity day. And we not say when peace and unity day, development day. So if we not should for Mogamo for peace, and for me tell the head of state say, see them as people that in peace, they deliver you, send them something, it go send them. So if we not fight among one ourselves. Time where I will take them. Time where I will take them. Tell head of state say, give them something. I will tell you say, can't go divide fight. We don't get energy. The energy way for user for divide fight. We use for give you good in there. Not so. Use them. Use una force for build the country. Not for fight. And because we have been at peace and unity football, we imagine say as we don't come together, come play this peace and unity football. The peace going to go forward. When you come back from village, some problem one be in between people there that will not go reconcile them. May this peace and unity where it don't stand for inside this football is spread right through the village. So that when we come next time, we will hear a good news.
Thank you, Mama.
I want to say this one is only a beginning. We hear the way Mayor talk. Thank you very much, Mayor. In fact, when I be talk say, may they make this unity, peace and unity cup, some people they be tell me say it's on late. So we're not going to succeed. I tell them say when you put half of something and fail. I tell them say when you hope now you look for back, you don't go ever succeed. We go for before, we go end, we go end. I want promise when I say next time. And who can go again next time? Who can again?
Every year.
I want to tell when I said I just the beginning. As we're going to go ahead, we're going to improve on the errors, on the mistakes then. And then you would have plenty. Say move on and so. We'll go on before. Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Mama. God bless you.
If they over plenty,
Hello.
to who shall take the cup for the day, that is the big question. But one thing is certain, before we leave here, we shall know whether whoever wins, take it as a sportsman. The minister just taking the players be at your best. Because many eyes are watching. Tomorrow none of you be selected. And who knows? Some of you, because of your exemplary stars, you might be selected.
Overview, and the other side of the team is dressed in total yellow. Yellow over yellow stockings and shorts. They came this far after a knockout competition so far. From Ashong, from John down to Tiben, from said is going to be the winner of this match. So far the match has gone, and the Blues, the Lower Mugamo in control, good play there. He has a long pass. Handball, the referee sound his whistle, and the match continues. The Blues be in control. They move on. Watch a thrilling encounter here, irrespective of the football pitch that we have here. How I wish, thank God, the Minister of the Youth and Sport is here, talent from this direction.
Le studio.
We will expect that the band can now play a bit so that we get commentaries of this and there was going to be a good somebody identified where the yellow are in control. Almost be in control, head control, and they are in control, they have succeeded. Well, that is Lower Mugamo in control. The match is, the ball is in the air. The both sides of the team are yet to settle to themselves and be able to have a better control of the ball and even control the field. The referee on the field by the Lower Mugamo. Ladies and gentlemen, we want to thank the minister once again, as we were told before now, that football is a unity aspect of life, and the competition that went through went in peace, and the match is expected to play peace and end in peace. The boys are being controlled. At the midfield, the long one, infringement against the one of Ashong. The technical bench did supply also didn't give us the lineup of the players, so much so that we are unable from this end to give you the names of the players. You are going to watch on according to their jerseys. I will call them by the colors of their jerseys and not the names or the numbers. We watch on as a throw in is coming in from Upper Ashong. There was a header. It didn't quite get through. There's still almost a control from Ashong. The ball rolls out of play, and Lower Mugamo comes in with a throw in from the right flank of the field. A long one has been thrown there, a header, and the Ashong intentional handball and error. Well, from this moment, almost at the semicircle, halfway into the Ashong goal area, the boys are putting themselves together and trying to throw a fence as the player positions the ball. It falls behind a bit and comes forward with a right foot for a good cross into the 18.
Se déroule la grande finale entre Ashong et Lower Mugamo, alors que les autorités sont installées comme ça. Alors que nous pouvons constater que plus de 6 millions de téléspectateurs ici même au stade municipal de Bâtiment. Le stade, qui est aussi comme ça, c'est plein de tribunes. Nous n'avons pas la au ministre. Au ministre des Sports. C'est la même qui a mis la joie dans les corps des Camerounais que ça se joue ici même au stade. Le Dossatra qui s'est relancer, malheureusement trouve le latéral droit de dans ce stade municipal de Bâtiment. Bâtiment qui est comme ça situé dans le département du Bingui. Alors ça se joue, Lolo Mogamo, c'est comme ça, Lolo Mogamo sur la balle, mal exploité. Longue balle, il recule comme ça l'attaquant, la chambre de sa tête, qu'est-ce qu'il fait? Ça se joue, alors que c'est le 214 un champ qui saute, c'est qui? Il recule comme ça, le 207, qui a voulu faire comme ça, on est tourné. Malheureusement, c'était la tige. Chambre, essaye de se rattraper, qu'est-ce qui se passe? Une main, et nous pouvons comme ça. Attention, deuxième main. Le jeu continue. Attention, c'était un anti-jeu.
Cédric.
Un bon coup franc.
Cédric.
Coup franc.
Si.
En faveur.
Si.
Le premier joueur va passer. Qu'est-ce qui va se passer? Qui va réaliser ce coup franc? Comme ça, retrouver son S7 et recule plutôt le défenseur. Ça se joue. Milieu de terrain. Le 216. La chambre. Vous allez comme ça m'excuser. Puisque je ne suis pas ici, je ne connais pas les noms des joueurs. Je peux que prononcer les. Ouais. Attention, ça se joue. Aïe aïe aïe. C'était l'attaquant de HM qui a failli comme ça faire un débat de manque.